Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio.
Today, Wednesday, October 15, 2025, we're celebrating National Mushroom Day. This holiday celebrates the fleshy, spore-bearing fruiting body of a fungus that people around the world enjoy. Although there are plenty of poisonous mushrooms all across the world, this holiday only celebrates the mushrooms that can be safely consumed by humans. This day celebrates food that has been enjoyed by people for thousands of years. Mushrooms have been seen as mysterious, delicious, magical, and deadly throughout history. All across Asia, Europe, and South America, people have enjoyed harvesting and eating mushrooms. Of course, during this time, many people also ended up being poisoned by mushrooms that they shouldn't have eaten, sometimes to the point of death. That's why early humans must have had to be careful about which mushrooms they ate if they wanted to avoid facilitating their own demise. Some cultures did eat mushrooms for reasons other than to feed themselves. Hallucinogenic mushrooms were discovered by people and used recreationally or for divine inspiration. These mushrooms are currently under investigation by the medical community to see if they can be used to treat certain medical conditions. As for the history of National Mushroom Day, we're unsure of exactly when this holiday was created. We do know that it has been around for a few years, but we don't know exactly how long or who created it. We'll continue to search for the origins of this holiday, but at this moment, it doesn't look like we're going to discover it. We think that there are some fun facts about mushrooms that everyone should know. The following facts are just a small selection of the ones that we found on the internet and would like to share with everyone. We think that these facts are informative and educational. The mushroom known as the chicken of the woods has won awards for being the tastiest mushroom. White mushrooms, button mushrooms, and portobello mushrooms are some of the most popular mushroom species in the world. Mushrooms are composed of 90% water. Mushrooms often add an umami flavor to foods. When mushrooms grow in a circle in the wild, they are historically called fairy rings. Only 4% of mushrooms are considered to be edible and tasty. Another 20% are edible but have no flavor. Approximately 20% of mushrooms can make a person sick, and 1% can kill them outright. The death cap mushroom is one of the deadliest mushrooms in the world. Mushrooms are fungi and not plants. Mushrooms breathe in oxygen and breathe out carbon dioxide, just like animals. There are approximately 75 species of mushrooms that glow in the dark. The best way to observe National Mushroom Day is to explore some of the ways that mushrooms can be used in the kitchen. We love mushrooms on pizza, particularly sausage, onion, bacon, and mushroom pizzas, pasta sauces, and in soups. We're also big fans of fried breaded mushrooms, stuffed portobello mushrooms, and mushroom omelets. We're sure everyone reading about this holiday will be able to find their own favorite recipes to use mushrooms in, and will be able to observe this day accordingly. National Mushroom Day timeline 1650. Early mushrooms cultivations. In Europe, cultivation of mushroom species such as Agaricus bisporus, the common white mushroom, started in France. 1865. Influence of Pasteur. Louis Pasteur's work helped mushroom growers understand the need for sterility when growing mushrooms, leading to more successful yields. 1885. Mushroom farm expansion. Quaker farmer William Swain built the first mushroom houses in Kennett Square, Pennsylvania, an area now known as the mushroom capital of the world. Mushroom popularity boomed in America with the introduction of new commercial farming techniques and varieties. Studies highlighting the nutritional and health benefits of mushrooms gained public attention. Mushrooms were recognized for their cancer-fighting properties and rich vitamin D content. 2017, National Mushroom Day. National Mushroom Day found its place in food holiday calendars to celebrate and appreciate the importance and diverse use of this unique fungi. How to celebrate National Mushroom Day. 1. Cook a mushroom dish. Mushrooms are incredibly versatile and can be cooked in a variety of ways, from stir-fries to pastas to soups and salads. Experiment in the kitchen and make something delicious. 2. Take a mushroom foraging tour. Many areas offer foraging tours for mushrooms and other wild edibles. This is a great way to learn about the different types of mushrooms and how to correctly identify them. 3. Attend a mushroom festival. Many towns have mushroom festivals where you can try all kinds of mushroom dishes, learn about different types of mushrooms, participate in cooking demonstrations, and meet local mushroom enthusiasts. 4. Plant mushrooms. Mushrooms are easy to grow at home with the right supplies. You can purchase mushroom kits or start your own garden bed. Enjoy watching your own mushrooms bloom. 5. Order a mushroom pizza. Order a pizza loaded with your favorite mushrooms for an extra special treat on National Mushroom Day. Why we love National Mushroom Day. Mushrooms are nutritious. Mushrooms are a great source of nutrition, containing a variety of minerals and vitamins. They are low in calories, fat, and cholesterol, making them an excellent choice for those looking to maintain a healthy diet. Mushrooms come in many varieties and each has its own unique flavor. Mushrooms add depth and complexity to any dish. C. Mushrooms are versatile. Whether you're adding them to soups and stews or simply slicing them up and adding them to savory omelets or quiches, mushrooms can easily be incorporated into any meal. You can even stuff them with cheese or herbs for added flavor. With so many ways to enjoy mushrooms, it's no wonder why we love them on National Mushroom Day. National Mushroom Day, fascinating world of mushrooms, their culinary versatility, ecological importance, and the role they play in both nature and our plates. While the exact origin and founder of National Mushroom Day are not clearly documented, the observance has gained recognition through food holiday calendars and by mushroom advocacy groups. It appears largely as a grassroots celebration of fungi, embraced by growers, chefs, health groups, and mushroom lovers everywhere. Over time, the day has grown into a moment for awareness, highlighting not only mushrooms as food, but their broader role in ecosystems, sustainability, and scientific curiosity. Why is National Mushroom Day important? Mushrooms are more than a tasty addition to meals. They are powerful in both nutrition and ecology. They can be rich sources of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, and often offer an umami boost that enhances flavor in dishes without heavy fat or calories. On this day, people are reminded to include these remarkable organisms in their diets and to explore new kinds of mushrooms they may not have tried before. At the same time, mushrooms are key connectors in nature. Their underground networks, mycelium, help decompose organic material, recycle nutrients, and even enable plants to communicate and share resources. Recognizing mushrooms acknowledges that so much of life depends on unseen networks. National Mushroom Day thus encourages us to pay attention to the small, magical systems around us and to treat fungi with curiosity and respect.
Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends. It's always a pleasure to share this journey with you, and I truly hope you found some valuable insights along the way. If you'd like to stay connected, I invite you to join our family by signing up for our newsletter at ourwildohio.com, so we can keep you up to date on everything we have planned. Also, it helps support the channel and doesn't cost you anything, but it helps us more than you know. We're also dropping bombs of knowledge over on Instagram, TikTok, and X, so don't miss out on the unique content that you'll only see there. Now get out there and enjoy our wild Ohio, and until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.